So for task 10L, we're going to use a copy of the previous task. We're going to just copy paste it and change the name to 10L. And it states that to create a report for the manager listing the invoice number, order date, and the time. And the time needs to be in a specific format and needs to be placed only in the afternoon. So we only need this 3. So let's just go and add the query. Let's select the invoice. Let's add the invoice number. We need the order date and the order time. If we run it, you can see in the order time they're showing the hours, minutes, and seconds. So we just need it only with the hours and minutes. So right click on the order, properties, and then go to the format. Over here you can see if you have any specific format you want it, or you want to show just you want to type it. So you either can just type it over here, or you can just select any specific format, which is, for example, this one, short time, which is matching with it. Can you see? So both ways are correct. So let's run it as long as you can see it is here. Second point, they want it in the afternoon. So you can see the time is 24-hour format. So usually the afternoon comes after 12, and it starts from 0, that is midnight, till 12. And after 12 starts the afternoon. So we can go to the criteria over here and say larger than 12, which is for hour and for the minutes as well. And then you can run it and you can check now it reduced to only after 12. I can see that it is okay. I put it the opposite way. It's supposed to be larger than, so that means larger than this amount of value. So that's for this task. Let me just make sure of it. And yeah, of course we have to do the report now. So let's just go and save it with the name of task 10L, orders in the afternoon. And then with the same files from here, we can just go and create the report. So select your query, add all the details you need, next, 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 and I'm just going to keep it portrait. We just have only 3. So yeah, just the same name, and that's all. Just adjust this, and let me just finalize it. Yeah, it's perfect. It's just nothing needs to be adjusted actually. All right, that's for this task. Let's go and move to the next one.